Jina lako ni nani? Joshua.
Wako wapi? Okay. The history of Joshua is different. Joshua doesn't know his father or his mother. He was staying with a very grandmother, very old grandmother. So people, especially the pastor, told us that there is a young boy who is staying with the grandmother, but he has now started to go to the streets, where he is very, very young. So we commanded the pastor to bring him here, so that we can make the home visit at Ngaramtoni, near Arusha, where we find the life is very, very hard. Now we started to stay with Joshua when he was about 4 years old.
And how old is he now?
He's now 7, but he's now in standard 1.
He's in standard 1, so he's going to school now.
He has been going to school.
So sasa, maisha mazuri?
Kwa nini unasema mazuri? Unapata nini? Unapata nini? Sema sasa, unapata nini?
He's got a ball, I see that.
Yes, he's now having kitambi, which was very, very thin.
He was thin now, and now
he's becoming fat. He's now fat.
He's much healthier than when you first met him, huh?
Yeah. Unapata nini? Kinachokufurahisha ni nini? Sema, viwili tu. Kinachokufurahisha. Nini? Viwili tu. Kinachokufurahisha. Okay. Just now to pray and get food and go to school.
That's all.
That makes him very, very happy.